God's kingdom is not the kingdoms of the world, right? It's not like the kingdoms of the world. It's not like that. It's a very powerful kingdom. The kingdom of the world is to hold on to power. Jesus says, give it up. Kingdom of the world says, hold on to power. Jesus says, give it up. That's very powerful. Amen? That's very hard. Like Moses left when he was not allowed to enter the promised land. చక్కగా వెళ్ళిపోయాడు మోషే. దేవుని తిట్టలేదు. ఇంతకాలం నడిపించాను దేవా, నన్ను ప్రామిస్ ల్యాండ్ తీసుకుపోకుండా ఈ జాషువాని తీసుకెళ్తున్నావు అందరితో పాటు అన్నాడా? Did he say, I led so many years, Lord, for this many years I went through horrible hell with these people. They grumbled, they cursed me, they attacked me. I know I broke the 10 commandments. I did everything. I hit the rock for water because they really troubled me. Right? But God said, you will not enter. None. He didn't enter the promised land. He happily rejoiced and he said, my time is done. I prayed, Joshua, take over. Lead the people into the promised land. That is the way God's kingdom has to work. That is the way God's kingdom has to work. నీకే సమస్త మహిమ ఘనత ప్రభావం కలగాలి దేవా. ఇసే కదా, all the glory, honor and praise belong to you, Lord, in the Lord's prayer. నీకే కలవాలి, నాకేమొద్దు దేవా. When you give it up, you will take something amazing.